Welcome to my channel. Few gadgets. Please subscribe. Polaroid Now Plus. It's the Polaroid camera you love, plus so much more. Our Bluetooth connected app features full manual control, double exposure, light painting, noise trigger, and more. Bonus gift. The Polaroid Now Plus includes a bonus lens filter kit. Includes 5 creative lens filters: starburst, red vignette, orange, yellow and blue. Dual lens autofocus. Get the perfect shot automatically. The Polaroid Now Plus feature a dual zone close-up and standard auto switching hyperfocal optical lens system. Connected analog camera. The Polaroid Now Plus is our most creative camera yet. Unlock even more creative tools with the Polaroid app and easy-to-use Bluetooth connection. App available for iOS and Android. Full-featured, tripod mount ready, micro USB powered, rechargeable battery, autofocus dual lens, system, accurate, flash, Bluetooth, connected app, and bonus 5 lens filter kit. Plus, the original Polaroid Square format compatible with both I-type films and 600 films. Slim body size with transparent ring lens, automatic exposure. The Mini 11 automatically selects the optimal shutter speed in any environment. Mini 11 captures bright backgrounds and bright subjects, even in dark scenes. One-touch selfie mode. The Mini 11 has a built-in macro mode and a selfie mirror for the perfect selfie. You don't need a close-up lens attachment. Just pull out the lens barrel until the selfie mode mark appears. Customize your camera. 2 shutter button accessories are included: dual button and a glow button. Instant camera plus photo printer. After taking fabulous shots with your Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro, you have the choice to print or cancel, unlike other Polaroid cameras. This instant camera can also connect to any mobile device through Bluetooth to print straight from the photo gallery. Low photo cost. Why pay more to print? Our Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro photo printer is the most affordable option to print right from your home. Photos are more affordable if purchased as a printer bundle. Superior photo quality. Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro uses 4-pass technology to print flawless photos instantly. Each photo is printed in layers of ribbon with a laminating process, so it's fingerprint proof and water resistant for long-lasting quality. 2 photo types. The Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro photo printer supports both border and borderless type photos. Write down your memories in the border type so they last forever. Print the borderless type to have larger sized photos. AR app. Download the Kodak photo printer application to print anywhere and anytime. You can use the fun augmented reality features and other decorative functions like beauty filters, frames, and more. Instant value. Kodak Printomatic camera is an easy-to-use product. Saves photos to a micro SD card. USB cable and charger are not included. Capture and instantly print photos from the camera, or directly print from your smartphone, tablet using Bluetooth. Choose from a variety of frames and filters for more printing fun. Attach a recorded sound to your photo and play back by scanning the QR code. Easily capture group photos by using your smartphone as a shutter button. Review and select photos before printing, all in one. Photography. The Printomatic camera offers a combination of a powerful 5MP sensor with a wide-angle f2 lens that instantly prints vibrant photos. Fast, easy and fun. This point and shoot the camera speed allows you to shoot a new photo while printing the previous shot. It also comes equipped with a light sensor that will automatically turn on the flash in low light settings. One-stop printing. The Kodak Printomatic camera instantly prints 2x3 photos. The camera uses Kodak Zink photo paper, so no ink, cartridges, toners, or film are needed. The photo prints are durable, water-resistant, tear-resistant, and smudge-free. Charming design comes in variety of fun, bold colors. Compact design slips neatly into your shirt pocket. Make it easy to carry around as you go about your day, ensuring you always have your Printomatic with you.